Withdrawing money from Zelle after your account has been reviewed is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Access your banking app. Open the mobile banking app linked to your Zelle account. Make sure you are logged in with your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Zelle. Locate the Zelle option within your banking app. This is typically found in the menu or under the payment section. Step 3. Select the withdrawal option. Once in the Zelle section, look for an option to withdraw or transfer funds. This may be labeled as withdraw, transfer to bank, or similar. Step 4. Enter withdrawal amount. Input the amount of money you wish to withdraw. Ensure that this amount is within your available balance and adheres to any limits set by your bank. Step 5. Confirm the transaction. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. After completing these steps, your funds should be available in your bank account shortly. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to your bank's customer service for assistance.